All right, here we go. Guys, we got to do this. Look at, oh, let me just fix my camera. All right, look at question number 1. This is exactly the same question as yesterday's warm-up, so hopefully you remember what to do now. It says, write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that has an x-intercept of -4 and a y-intercept of 2. Who's your go-to formula? Yep, perfect. So we hope for M, the slope, and we hope for B. Did they flat out tell you the slope? So we don't know M. Did they flat out tell you the y-intercept? Who is it? He's B, so plug it right in. Right now, this is what we know. All right, so now it's like, if I knew M, I'd be done. Well, guys, think about it. In order to find slope, there's a couple different ways. One of the most straightforward ways is if you know 2 points, you can find the slope. Guys, they told you an x-intercept and a y-intercept. Tell me right now, what is his ordered pair if he is an x-intercept? -4 what? 0, right? He crosses the x-axis when x is -4. So that means his x-coordinate is clearly -4. His y has to be 0. If you are an intercept, one of your coordinates is 0. Guys, that's the y-intercept. So he clearly crosses the y-axis with a y-coordinate of 2. But what's his x-coordinate? 0. So that is 2 points that you definitely know. So what can you do now if you need slope? Calculate it. Change in y over change in x. So my slope will be, I'm going to go this y coordinate, 0, subtract that y coordinate, 2, over change in x. So I have to start with the same ordered pair, x coordinate, subtract that x coordinate. And you end up with -2 over -4. Is that you, Jake? All right. And then, guys, it's delta math. Slope is a fraction. What do you always have to do with your fractions? Reduce them. Delta math will not give you the right answer if you don't reduce your slope. So this reduces to a positive, and then it's 1/2. So now you know your slope. You already knew your y-intercept. Just put 1/2 in for for M, and you're done. Okay? So I'm sorry. As far as like the amount of work that is involved, that's not a bad problem. It's pretty quick, and all you got to do is find your slope. And just remember, if they tell you intercepts, then you know they're ordered pairs. All right, now look at these ones. I added this. If you are not drawing a quick little picture of this, I think you're silly. I think you got to really reason these ones out, and a picture really, really helps. It says, write the equation of a line that is parallel to the x-axis and passes through the point -5, 4. Guys, draw a blank coordinate plane. It is literally an x-axis and a y-axis, a horizontal number line and a vertical number line. So if this is the x-axis, what kind of line did I say the x-axis is? A horizontal. So if your line has to be parallel to that line, what kind of line does your line have to be? A horizontal line. Only a horizontal line would be parallel to a horizontal line. So now you know your line is horizontal. Your line has to pass through the point -5, 4. So guys, left 5, up 4. Your horizontal line has to pass through that, so draw it. So this is the line that you are trying to write an equation of. Guys, if you are a horizontal or a vertical line, one of the coordinates never changes. And then to write the equation, we just have to say what coordinate never changes, and we literally name the line. Y equals 4. X equals -5. So you tell me right now, if this is the point 5, -4, if you started labeling all these other points on the line, which coordinate would always be the same? The 4. And which coordinate is the 4? So this is a line where, sorry, call me out on that. This is the line where every single y coordinate is 4. So we call that the line y equals who constantly. Done. You are done.
For the second one, I don't understand.
Okay. Again, pictures I think make it much easier to see. All right, look at this one. Write the equation of a line that is perpendicular to this line, and it passes through the point 3, 6. All right, guys, our line has to be perpendicular to that line. How many variables do you see in that equation? That means he's special. That means he is literally going to be a horizontal or vertical line. So draw it. I need you to draw a line where every single point on the line has a y-coordinate of -5. Where is a y-coordinate -5? Up, down, right, or left? Down 5. Guys, that's where a y-coordinate is -5. So now draw a bunch of other dots that also have a y-coordinate of -5. Can I go here?
No.
Can I go here? But can I go here? Can I go here? Here. So what kind of line is the line y equals -5? All right, so this is a horizontal line. Our line has to be perpendicular to it. Only what kind of line would be perpendicular to a horizontal line?
Vertical.
Now we know our line is vertical. So now we know we are writing the equation of a vertical line. And our line has to pass through 3, 6. Right 3, up 6. And it's a vertical line. Guys, tell me right now, on a vertical line, which coordinate never changes? 3. This is the point 3, 6. Guys, what's the point right underneath them? The point 3, 5. What's the point right underneath that one? 3, 4. Which coordinate isn't changing? This is the line where every single x coordinate is 3. So name me that line. What is the equation of this line? Done. X equals 3. So if you are writing the equation of a horizontal or vertical line, it's nice because, guys, there's like no work. But man, do you have to be able to reason it out. All right, go ahead, Chris.
Okay, that.
Yep. All right, so you have the rest of the period to work on your review on Delta Math. And I'm telling you right now, you will see each one of these questions on your quiz tomorrow. All right?
I have a quiz pass.
A quiz math. That I don't give out. All right. Let me just stop this real quick.
I don't have a pass.